How to forget lock chat's secret code on WhatsApp. Now, one of the newest features of WhatsApp is called the lock chats feature. And sometimes you can go ahead and forget your own secret code. To proceed, I'll go ahead and navigate through my lock chats section right here. And once inside, I can then go ahead and open up my WhatsApp lock chats. If you go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, go ahead and click on the chat lock settings. You can then go ahead and see you have your secret code right here. You can just go ahead and put any secret code you want to. Of course, you need to go ahead and remember this secret code of yours. But what if you forgot your secret code? Well, in today's video, I have a solution for you. Basically, you want to navigate through the top right corner of your screen, and right after this menu will show up where you have to click on settings. Now, if you're using your iPhone device, you can just go ahead and click on settings, and once inside settings, you want to look for privacy. Inside privacy, just go ahead and scroll down and you can see the option called chat lock. From here, you have the option to unlock and clear lock chats. If you forgot your secret code, you can clear it. This will also unlock and clear messages, photos, videos in lock chats. Just go ahead and click on it. Confirm your option right here. And so there you go, you have managed to clear or forgot the lockchat's secret code. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.